Today we are at the Engine Rooms, one of our favorite event spaces where we are doing a milestone 50th birthday celebration. Now you might have seen other videos of events we have done here. If not, you can check out this one, or you can check out this one. We'll leave the links in the description below. But back to today, we are doing all the event design and production. We're bringing in the furniture, bar unit, we have catering, bar staff, and entertainment. So the theme of this milestone 50th birthday party is 90s. Our client absolutely loves everything to do with 90s. The fashion, the style, and the music. It's just all about everyone coming together, celebrating a special birthday, and having a good time. As always, there's lots to do. Let's get on with it. We are all set and ready to go. So what have we done? All the event design and production, staging, sound, lighting. We also have our furniture in the form of sofas, low cubes, low tables, and poser tables. We have our bar unit, bar staff, we have catering, and also now inside the smaller room, we have these bifolding doors. So now if you want, you can actually open that up and have one whole big event. But for this event, because we want this area to be for catering, we've kept the bifolds closed so we can have our catering in there, and we're gonna have our celebration and dancing and partying in there. Now, our guests are just about to turn up. They're all ready. So all there is left to do now is celebrate.